So today we will discuss another fused ring system. We will discuss another fused ring system, which is a perhydrophenanthine. Perhydrophenanthine. What is phenanthine?
सर आइसोमेरिक फॉर्म ਹੁੰਦੀ है एंथ्रासीन ਦੀ
It's the isomeric form of anthracene. So if I want to write structure of phenanthine, it will be, let's make it here like this. It will be like this. What will be perhydrophenanthine? In perhydrophenanthine, you have 3 cyclohexane rings. You have 3 cyclohexane rings which are fused together. In perhydrophenanthines, 3 cyclohexane rings are fused together. So it is 1 cyclohexane, second, and third is over here. So you can see if 3 aromatic rings are placed like this, it will be your phenanthine, and if 3 cyclohexane rings are there, it will be perhydrophenanthine. Now, just like decalenes, we have to discuss their conformation. We have to discuss which configuration is more stable. So at this junction, you have hydrogen, and at this junction, you have hydrogens. So what are various geometrical isomers which are possible? Various geometrical isomers which are possible. Yes, bete, what are permutation and combinations? Cis, trans. So suppose if I put like this, okay, this is also behind plane. Yes, behind plane. So what will be these 2 hydrogens? They are cis or trans? These hydrogens, they are cis or trans?
cis.
Sir, cis.
And these 2 hydrogens?
Sir, cis.
Yes, so it is cis, syn, same side, and this is also cis. Other, suppose I put here hydrogen like this, like this, like this. So this will be trans here at this junction. Syn or anti?
Sir, anti.
Syn, bete, I have put it both in dotted lines. Okay, both are in dotted lines. Syn, here also trans. And if I put them like this, then trans, anti, trans. So various permutations or combinations are possible. Can you draw remaining by yourself? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the various configurations are possible. Now we have to find out of these various configurations, which one is most stable. We have to find out of these various possibilities, which is most stable. We have to find out. So which one will be more stable? Hanji, which one will be more stable?
Sir, trans and
trans
Why?
ਸਰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਸਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਰਾਂਸ ਆ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਂਟੀ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਐਂਟੀ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਇੰਟਰੈਕਸ਼ਨਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ
Bete, so here we have to see which bonds are involved. If equatorial bonds are involved or axial bonds are involved. So if equatorial bonds are involved, in that case it will be more stable. Yes or no? जिस तरह सारे equatorial bonds involved होंगे, that conformation will be most stable. Just like in case of your decalenes. Transdecaline was more stable because in that case both equatorial bonds were involved. So let us draw. So say this is your first cyclohexane ring. So we have to find out the most stable configuration. So I will just draw equatorial bonds by using equatorial bonds. So this will be your second cyclohexane ring. It become decalane. Now we have to attach third cyclohexane ring over this junction. We have to draw it over here. So which bonds should I use? Which one? Equatorial. Write down the most stable. I have to use equatorial bonds. So this is equatorial bond over here, and this is equatorial bond over here. So by using this, I can write remaining structure like this. So now you can see 3 cyclohexane rings are there. So here 2 remaining axial hydrogens are there. Here also, this is axial hydrogen and this is axial hydrogen. So what is its configuration? At this junction, both hydrogen, they point in opposite direction. So it is trans. At this junction in here, syn or anti?
anti.
Anti. And at here they are trans. So this is the most stable configuration of perhydrophenanthrene, trans, anti, trans. Is it clear?
yes sir
So here it is equatorial and equatorial. So that was your perhydrophenanthrene. What about its optical activity? What about its optical activity? What do you think? It's optically active or not?
Yes, sir. It is optically active.
Why?
Sir, symmetry element नहीं है.
Symmetry element. So this exists in optically active or DL form in absence of any symmetry element. What about cis, syn, cis? Is it optically active or not? देखो ध्यान नाल, does it have any symmetry element?
No, sir.
Yes, there is. If you pass plane over here, two are mirror images of each other or not? Yes or no? बोलो बेटे.
Yes, sir.
So it has mirror plane. So it also is a meso compound. Cis syn cis is a meso. Trans in trans or this trans anti trans तो ये तो हो गया अपना. Here this is PL. This one
ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਵੀ ਮਿਰਰ ਇਮੇਜ ਬਣੇਗੀ.
ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਮਿਰਰ ਇਮੇਜ ਬਣੇਗੀ. ਵਾਈ?
ਪਰ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ
side.
ਸੇਮ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਨੇ.
ठीक है. So this is also meso. This is PL. Similarly, you can see others also, like cis anti cis. What will be cis anti cis? DL or meso?
DL.
DL. Cis anti cis will be DL. Why? Because they are on opposite sides. So yes, but is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, structure of perhydrophenanthrene, which configuration is most stable and which one is optically active? So remaining you can draw yourself. So there may be like other one may be cis anti trans. Okay, so you can draw it by yourself. So this was your perhydrophenathrenes, decalins and perhydrophenathrenes. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है दोनों और एग्जाम ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ.